Okay, so now I cross it and save it the project. Then go to your map, go to your insert, and go to your analysis and click more tools. And this click you can use the clip option. By clip option means like this whole data will be clipped into this Pakistan shape file. So for example, input will be my like Pakistan admit. No, I think clip will be my geological data, and clip feature will be my Pakistan administration, this shape file. And the environment is like my current map, which is the WGS 1984, and everything is oh yeah, this is the park admission. And yes, I run it, so let's see what will be happening. Okay, so yes, and if I cross it, if I off, okay, so you can see it. I clip the South Asia data of the geological into the Pakistan shapefile. So I think I not need this one and not need this one, and save it. Okay, so this is my geological data. Now what will I do? Firstly, I remove the base map. Yes, I remove the base map. So this is my geological data, and I go to my symbology, and in this symbology I will be give the unique symbology. And okay, so and I open the attribute table, so you can see that I need okay, this is the shapefile. This is my main data, GLG geological log formation. So this is the short integer which can show whenever open the PDF of the map, so you can see it easily. Just wait. So this is my whole data in which Q is represent quaternary. This is the Mesozoic, Cretaceous strata, Triassic strata. This is the geological. So everything you can see it. This is the PZL, lower Paleozoic rocks. So when I open, so this is the denotation of the integer geological, GLG. So I okay add the geological. Yes, so you can see it uh, very clearly that data is loaded of the geological formation. I can change the color. Okay, so this is the change the color. So next video we will be created the layout option in this, and I will be, for example, if I work in this area, how to connect, how to clip this area into the another shape file. So next video we will be do it by finishing this layout option.